gang member who mistakenly thought he was gunning down a rival gang member when he pulled the trigger has been sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 13 years. Manitoba Court of Queen's Bench Justice Karen Simonson said Cody Joseph Kakiway did not commit an impulsive act when he fired 4 times at 22-year-old Darren Paul George in a back alley in the West End on December 7, 2011. This was an unprovoked gang-motivated killing committed by a man with a lengthy criminal history who has failed or refused to comply with court orders, Simonson said Thursday, refusing a request by defense counsel Todd Bauerkier for the 10-year minimum parole eligibility. Crown attorney Jocelyn Richot asked for 17 years. His actions have had a devastating effect on Mr. George's family, Simonson said. Furthermore, Mr. Kakiway has chosen to continue his angry and assaultive approach in custody. He remains a gang member and continues to be a high risk to re-offend. Kakiway was found guilty of second-degree murder after a trial last year. Court was told that Kakiway and other members of the Mad Cow Street gang were partying in a house and noticed 2 men walking in a nearby alley, whom they mistook for rival Manitoba Warriors members based on George's black clothing. In fact, George was a member of the Native Syndicate, another street gang. After getting a gun and confronting the pair, Kakiway fired 4 times, the fatal shot hitting George in the neck. In an earlier statement to the court, George's mother, Natalie Madnett, told Kakiway that he deserved the maximum sentence because my son begged for his life and still you killed him. You have no heart, no soul. You deserve to burn in hell, Madnett told him. May your dreams and hopes be filled with dread and darkness. Court was told that while in custody for the slaying, Kakiway has been involved in 42 separate incidents, including jumping correctional officers and assaulting fellow inmates. A co-accused, Chance Guimond, pleaded guilty to manslaughter for his role in the slaying and was given a 12-year prison sentence.